back to another video. It's me again. Well, there's you might be wondering, this isn't where I left off on Pokemon Sapphire. It actually is. Except last video we defeated Roxanne, but the file got corrupted and I couldn't publish it, which I'm actually kind of mad about. So I'm just gonna try to redo some of the best highlights from the video that I did. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you later. Bye! Did some leveling up, and here's some footage from it. Everything must die. Everything must die. Shroomish, 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 shroomish! Oh my god! It's a shroomish! Shroomish! Shroomish, 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 shroomish. It's shroomish! Shroomish, shroomish, shroomish! It's Brad's cousin! It's Chad! Die! Ah! Sorry, Brad, he can't hurt you. Oh, that was your sister? We don't talk about that, okay? We just don't talk about that. Call him Buff Brad for a reason. Ah! Brad's a little bit of a psychopath. Like, he keeps seeing rocks and then he just smashes them. Yeah, this is what I mean. He kills so many. So many. Not even the children. Just the men, but the women and the children too. Bah! Brad! You psychopath! Another one bites the dust. 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 Whoa, whoa, whoa. Another one bites the dust. That's all I actually had from my video. I hope you guys enjoyed the highlights of episode 2, or the only bits of episode 2. But I hope you all have a nice time, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye!